One of the most powerful things about high level is how you can combine everything into one location. And in order to do that effectively, you've got to be able to pull your email communications, all of your email communications related to your CRM contacts into this centralized hub that should serve really as like the command center for your business. And so in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how it is that you can do that, whether you're using Gmail or Outlook. Get that two-way sync connected. Now, some of you guys might need to get your IT department involved, depending on how restrictive the Outlook policies are. But I'm telling you, it is 100% worth it. Let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you exactly how it is that you do this. All right, let's get your email account connected for two-way sync. So just so you know, this is different. This is separate than your marketing emails. This is separate from emails that are going to be sent out via workflows, campaigns, etc. This is specifically to send one-off emails from your default email provider. So if you use Gmail or if you use Outlook, this is going to be able to allow you to send one-off emails through your conversations, and be able to send it from that inbox. It's also going to allow you to sync up any email that you get from one of your contacts that's inside of your CRM. It's going to allow you to see that within your conversation log. So very valuable. I definitely recommend this step. We're going to go in here again. Gmail and Outlook are the two that are supported. So we're going to go to My Profile. Okay. And then we're going to go over here and you see this section where it says Email Two-Way Sync. So we're going to click on Gmail. If it's Gmail, we're going to click on Outlook. If it's Outlook. Now, depending on your company's IT policies, sometimes Outlook can give you a little trouble at first. Typically, we'll get that approved if you connect us with your IT department. But here's what it should look like. So for Gmail, let's go ahead and start with that one. You're just going to go in, click on your account. I'm going to click Continue. You need to make sure you check Select All and get to be able to check these boxes and then press Continue. And then boom, that's it. Okay. Now, if it's Outlook, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this really quick. You see how easy that is. This is not irreversible by any means. I'm going to go ahead and click on Outlook, click Connect. See if I can use one of my emails. Okay, it's going to ask for that authenticator code or whatever two-factor you have set up. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up on my phone really quick. Got it here. Let it refresh. Okay. Okay, click Verify. Okay. So in this case, that account, I need admin approval in order to get that app done. And so I can either sign in with that account or I can return to the application without granting consent. If you need admin approval, what I would recommend doing is screenshotting this and then sending it over to your IT department. But that is how you sync two-way with your email provider.